Hello, my name is Richard Dunks with the Community Data Empowerment Project, here to talk about summarizing a column with a pivot table and Google Sheets using Dallas Police Department police arrest data. So, where we left off in our last video, we had taken our police arrest data here and we had inserted a pivot table. So we have our data here. As a reminder, we go to Data, Pivot Table, Create Pivot Table, New Sheet, Create. And to be very clear, we can create as many pivot tables as we want. It doesn't have to be one and done and that's all we can use. It's also important to understand when we do anything in a pivot table, we're not actually affecting the underlying data. So anything I do here, it's pretty safe. I'm not going to destroy or change any of the data that I have. We're going to look at something just very basic. We have almost 6,500 arrests, and so we're going to look at the breakdown by race. So we go over here to our pivot table editor. We click Add in the rows column, and we're going to scroll down here until we find race. So here now you'll notice in the rows here we have all of the values that are in the race column, but we don't have any counts. So what we have to do then is go to this values, click add, and then we find something that we know has an entry in every column, or for every row rather. So what we're going to actually choose here is arrest number. So each arrest has a unique identifier, and this makes sure that we have selected all of our data. In this case, you can check the grand total. We have 6,476. If you remember, that was our grand total of arrests. So this is the breakdown now of arrests, and we can expand this out to make this a little bit easier to read. And you can see now we have a summary, the number of arrests by race. And this is the power of a pivot table here. We'll go more into it in a future video to kind of work with these results. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to connect with us, you can check out our website, datafordallas.org, email us at info@datafordallas, or find us on Facebook or Instagram.